Hey guys, this is Julie. It is January 8th. It is 2:45 p.m. The markets are still open. We had a bit of a range turnaround today, so the traders are sending it from range to range, level to level, which is good. I'll show you. I guess we need to look at the. We're looking at the Russell now, sort of settled in its mean, but we definitely want to look at the EMD, the mid caps, and the Nasdaq and the Euro. So here is the Russell. Let me put this back on high-low. You can see that price first sold off and then did a reversal about face and on this divergence. Higher low momentum coming in to just tag support, just towed it and then turned around and then rallied back up to its top of the day near the high. And so I don't know if this is sort of like range behavior or to show a sign of strength maybe. There was not any data today. We'll be looking at our economic calendar for JOLTS tomorrow, EIA Wednesday, Nat Gas Thursday, and the CPI and retail sales on Friday. So we might have a good retail sales number coming out. Here is the EMD, did the same type of price action as the Russell, where it gave the whirly bird, as I call them, the up and down of the range, settle in the middle, and then find a direction. And again, what I like about this template is once I start seeing these prints, I know that the current level is being exceeded. So I'm always watching for this band to be filled. And when it's going in the direction of momentum and trend, that's when it's a good time to be seeing your current high-low bands being filled. So let me take my drawings off. Okay, good. Just be ready for anything. We've got a budget showdown coming up January 21, and that's in 2 weeks. They have been working in Washington since early December, and I hope that they are able to resolve their negotiations and get that done. It would be stupid to shut the government down over an immigration issue. I mean, that doesn't even make sense. I mean, so hopefully they can figure it out. If not, be careful because the dollar and the markets will be impacted. And that's about all for the EMD. Let's take a look at the euro. As it sold off today. Big time. Oops. And again, you see all of the current lows getting hit. That's always a good sign for a trend continuation. And then your shorter, big big down candle and again to the gap line, to the gap close, and finally broke it and then did hit that close and then just sort of sat there on its low. So we'll see what happens to that gap overnight and go from there on the euro. And the NQ is also hanging on its high. So just getting ready for any news that would affect business for the technology sector, I guess. Otherwise, um, watch, to see if this trend continuation does materialize. So that was such a great trend. And we'll see if we can still make it up there. Right now it was a choppy top. And we prefer to have the nice sideways pattern to trade. Okay, so the NQ's hanging on their high, the euro falling, and the mid caps held their own and rallied up. So this is Julie. It's January 8th. Come see us in the trade room tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.